It's a beauty day for some carving, on-site carving. Yep. I'm in Delta, British Columbia, in Ladner on Westham Island. Okay, so here I am. We got these pellets set up so I can take them up and down for height. This is a pine tree in front of my friend Brad's house, on-site carving. See, it's all farmland, this Westham Island. And where I get that big cedar from is my friend Mike and Shannon Bennett. They live up there, and the cedar was back there, and the Fraser River's all right here. So this is going to be a time-lapse video of me carving because I gotta work hard and I just gotta focus. This is soaking wet, the stump's still in the ground. It's probably like 9 feet tall, I'd say 8-9 feet tall. So this is my new little 170 I got, just with a normal bar on here. I've already sharpened them at my shop. A 193 with my little 8-inch Canon dime tip bar. Sorry, I had a phone call, so it's like a little 8-inch Canon bar, dime tip bar. This is quarter pitch chain, 50 gauge. My Stihl 291 with I think this, I don't know what size bar this is, but this is 3/8 Canon bar, I guess. Again, Canon's the best, guys, in my opinion. Anyways, and my little Echo, I'm still waiting to get my sprocket from that Brian Moore sent over there from England and the UK. Still not here, so I might use this because it's so late, right? Just a bit, not too much. I don't want to wreck it before I get my carving bar on it. So anyways, that's it. I'm gonna set up the camera on the tripod here and just get carving. So I guess I should say this is gonna be an owl up here, and he wants like a wizard face guy down at the bottom. You can't see it. A wizard face guy with his hand like this holding the owl. I don't know. I'll try my best. That's all you can do. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Okay, so that was about 10 minutes. About 10 minutes, yeah. Now that was using my 291. Now I'm going to switch to one of my smaller saws. I'm going to draw it on first, but I forgot to listen to music when I was doing it, so I got to listen to music. Okay, so I think everything's going pretty well on point. Let's just take a quick walk around it. I cut his tail in big because, well, it's better to leave more wood than less wood, so I got a line there where I might cut it down. I don't know if his tail goes this way. Anyways, it's a carbon fusion tail. What a beautiful day, nice little breeze. So there's going to be a wood spirit on this side too, because there's doors, there are doors right there. So they'll be able to come outside and see it. And if you guys haven't seen my other videos, this is going to be a flower potter here, flower planter. Let's see his chest. Yeah, those wings are perfect height. Anyways, so I guess I'll this is a new willow tree he just got put in here. Weeping willow, I think it is. Anyways, I guess I'll start working on the wings and the face. Okay, so I know his tail's a little bit bulky. I stripped all the bark off here. I'm pretty happy with the way it's going so far, yeah. His wings are a little bit square on the bottoms. I'll round those off later. It's just nice to be out in the sunshine. So now what I want to try and do, I'm not too sure if I'm going to carve it today, is let's hold on a second here. So Brad said he wanted like a wizard, kind of like holding his hand holding the owl. So I took a selfie shot of myself in the mirror bathroom this morning, so I could use that for reference. I don't know, I just don't know how this is going to go, where the head's going to be placed to the arm. So I guess I'll draw that on next, and yeah, I guess I'll just start carving. Or maybe I should carve, I'm going to carve wood spirits all around this maybe. Okay, bye. Okay, so here's what we got so far. Here's his kind of arm up there. That's going to be a real tricky area. I don't know, like I might have to make it like a trophy case the owl's sitting on, because I think his arm might be a little too long if this is going to be his hand, you know. So I don't know. I just don't know. Okay, so I'm done for the day. It's just sometimes This is Brad. This is the owner of the...
Hey everybody.
How's it going, Brad?
It's going good. It's better now than it was this morning. Looking good.
Right on. So Brad and his wife, like, I struggled with this hand all day long, and I'm not going to get into it, but because he wanted the hand holding the owl like this, but it's just not working for me, and I'm getting an artistic block when it comes to it. So they've given me permission just to like make it like nice wind stuff around here, right? He does want this. What is this? The bicep, Brad?
The bicep, yeah.
Yeah, he wants the bicep, and do you want this one left in too? Yeah, so he wants the bicep left in of the guy because you can see it's a bicep. And we've talked about, they're going to talk more about it, maybe rocks down here tomorrow. And he wants some of the bark left on it. And I made the wings on the owl longer come down. And tomorrow, so I gotta carve a big huge wood spirit down here. So this first wood spirit is, the hair goes down this way. This thing foggy, the wind goes down this way, and then it's gonna come around and it's gonna match this big guy's here. And then this here is going to come up and match all this stuff. So anyways, that's it for today, and I'll do another one tomorrow. And here comes Mike to get the fish totes. Hope you guys are all good.